All right, let's shift our focus to the unending chaos by Indigo. Delhi, Mumbai, Tamil Nadu and Telangana hit as well. Delhi flights of Indigo cancelled. They have been cancelled till midnight. Flights cancelled in Mumbai as well till 6 p.m. Flights cancelled in Chennai as well till 6 p.m. So multiple cities now hit and several passengers going through a harrowing experience, narrating their ordeal, speaking to media, alleging that the ground staff is not supporting, not passing on any information. There's no communication happening from the end of the airlines. Let me go across to our reporters joining us on the broadcast. Let me first, in fact, go across to Somit for a very quick update on what is the status there in Hyderabad. What are the passengers saying? Any relief, any respite? Because it may not happen that soon.
Well, massive passengers, in huge number, they are queuing up here at the Indigo. And right now, we also, we are also joined by one of the passengers here. He's waiting. Yesterday also, his flight got delayed. And again, his flight got delayed today even. And he's waiting for many hours at the airport. And we can also clearly see the, queues here. We'll also just hear to the plight of this passenger. Not just this passenger, several passengers complaining the same things. So since what time you're waiting here? And, what are the crew saying here, and what have been informed by the customer care or at least by the ground crew?
There is no any information from Indigo side. I am waiting from our last 4 hours.
Okay.
I am very frustrating and
आपका फ्लाइट कब था एक्चुअली?
मेरा फ्लाइट आज का है 2 बजे का था. तो मैं आ गया था 11 बजे.
ओके.
11 बजे से आके मैं यहाँ पे वेट कर रहा हूँ. कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं. अभी पता चला कि मेरी फ्लाइट कैंसिल हो गई. एक्चुअली मेरी फ्लाइट कल थी, लेकिन कल मेरे को बोर्डिंग पास इशू हुआ कि आज आपकी फ्लाइट 2 बजे है.
जी.
अब मैं आके 11 बजे से यहाँ बैठा हुआ हूँ और अभी भी पता चला कि फ्लाइट मेरी कैंसिल है. अभी नेक्स्ट शेड्यूल मुझे कुछ पता नहीं है.
तो कोई किसी ने कुछ बताया आपको?
वो तो मुझे गेट पे बता दिया कि आपकी फ्लाइट कैंसिल है.
और इंडिगो की तरफ से?
इंडिगो की तरफ से कोई सपोर्ट नहीं, कोई हेल्प नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं.
So same stories we are hearing from several passengers, and several passengers are even staying, or they are not from here, they hail from different states, different cities, and they are stuck here. And few passengers yesterday came from Mumbai. Even their baggage, misplacement of baggage, they have complained for that, and they are waiting since last 4 days, and since last 4 days they are not even getting the information. And when it comes to the Ayyappa devotees, since last 2 days we are seeing that several Ayyappa devotees, they are staging protests inside the airport premises, and they can't even get back to their residences. Once they start from their home, they'll have to go to Ayyappa temple in in Kerala, and they'll have to visit there. Then they'll have to come back to their residences. And they're stranded at the airport. They're staging massive protests at the airport inside the premises. And right now we are also being joined by a few Ayyappa devotees here. So आपका जो दीक्षा है बहुत कठिन होता है, और आप घर से एक बार निकल जाते हैं तो आप फिर घर नहीं जा सकते हैं. तो यहाँ एयरपोर्ट में कितने की सारे अयप्पा डिवोटीज अंदर फंस चुके थे. कल 6-8 घंटे फंस चुके थे, प्रोटेस्ट भी कर चुके थे. आप कब से वेट कर रहे हैं? आपको कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन मिला?
हमारे को कुछ भी इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है. अभी 2:15 का हमारा फ्लाइट था, कैंसिल बोल के बोल दिए. कोई इधर इन्फॉर्मेशन देने वाले नहीं है, कोई बोलने वाले नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. ऐसा रहे तो कंपनी बंद कर लेना, दूसरों को तकलीफ नहीं देना. स्वामी बहुत मुश्किल हो जा रहा. कितने जने खड़े हुए देखो, 200-300 मेंबर्स को तकलीफ हो गया. कोई रिस्पांस देने वाले नहीं है इधर कोई भी. ऐसा
तो कब से वेट कर रहे हैं? कई सारे अंदर भी वेट कर रहे हैं स्वामी.
तो सुबह से वेट कर रहे हैं, कोई रिस्पांस देने वाले नहीं है. हमारा तो यात्रा के लिए सब हम रेडी करके लगाते हैं. हमारा पूरा पैसा वेस्ट, टाइम वेस्ट, सब वेस्ट हो जा रहा स्वामी हमारा तो.
All right, so Amit, stay on with us. We have a big team of reporters covering every angle, not just getting us reactions from the passengers, but also on what the Civil Aviation Ministry is doing, what the DGCA is doing. Let me go across to Arpita. Arpita, what's happening at the Trivandrum airport?
Well, like Somit mentioned, even here there are so many Ayyappa devotees who are stranded here. They have done the darshan. They want to go back to Hyderabad, but none of the flights are available here. That all of their flights have cancelled or has been rescheduled. And what they are saying is that the Indigo staffs are not helping them with another flight, accommodation or refreshments. In fact, earlier we also spoke to a few foreigners here who had come here for a business tour, and even they had to cancel their meetings and other things because they have missed their flight. I mean, they did not get the flight to Chennai. Their flight flight has been rescheduled. There's a 13-hour delay of their flight. Here, when we spoke to multiple passengers, all of them are saying the Indigo staffs are not cooperating, not helpful. They're not giving any information. But as per airport authorities, they are saying 3 arrival flights and 3 departure flights have been cancelled and 6 flights are delayed compared to Mumbai, Delhi and other places. Trivandrum, the situation is better, but the passengers are going through a difficult time. They are also saying that they are requesting the authorities and the staffs to at least provide with accommodation and food and refreshments, but they are not getting any refreshments. In fact, we earlier spoke to a few Ayyappa devotees. They were saying their flight is delayed by 9 hours and they are not even letting them to go inside. So they are stranded outside the airport. They are waiting outside the airport so that they can get in.
Right. So the mismanagement has caused a huge mess, and now even the ground staff not helping, not communicating with the passengers. Let me go across to Nilesh, joining us from near the Mumbai airport. And Nilesh, according to reports, Indigo flights have been cancelled till 6 p.m. in Mumbai as well.
Swati, around 12 p.m. it was 104 flights which have been cancelled in Mumbai, and Pune stands around 22 flights which was cancelled. Now the latest that we are picking up through our sources that the Indigo has suspended all of those flights till 6 p.m. Today evening. So that is a sign of communication that the company is trying to establish. However, that seems to be a very delay as far as the commuters or the passengers are of favor, because they are already at various airports, not just Mumbai or Delhi, but all airports across the nation is filled with protesters who are currently angry at the airline service.
Passengers have turned protesters because of the inconvenience which has been caused to them. Shefali filed a ground report earlier. Let's take a look.
I have a passenger. We'll speak to him. Sir, आप अपना नाम बता दीजिए.
मेरा नाम डॉक्टर प्रदीप है.
सर, आपकी इंडिगो की फ्लाइट थी, क्या सिचुएशन थी? आप बता रहे थे 5 बजे की फ्लाइट थी, अब कैंसिल हो गई है, क्या हुआ?
आई वॉज ट्रैवलिंग टू तिरुपति. तो पहले तो बैगेज के लिए इन्होंने 3 घंटे वेट कराया. हमें जिस टाइम पे फ्लाइट था उस टाइम पे लगेज सिर्फ एक बंदा पूरी अराउंड 100 पीपल को एक बंदा केटर कर रहा है. उसके बाद हम लोग अंदर गए. अंदर इतना क्योस मचा हुआ है, नारेबाजी हो रही है अंदर, और कोई भी इंडिगो का पर्सन कोई भी फ्लाइट उड़ नहीं रही है. ऑल दैट फ्लाइट्स आर डिलेड, एंड आफ्टर दैट आफ्टर 3-4 आवर्स दे आर टेलिंग दैट इट्स बीन कैंसल्ड. लोग यहाँ पे अंदर 2-2 दिन से फंसे हुए हैं, और इसका फायदा एयर इंडिया जैसी फ्लाइट्स, वो जो 15,000 की फ्लाइट है, वो आज नेट पे चेक किया 60,000 रुपए पे दिल्ली टू बॉम्बे 60,000 की फ्लाइट दिखा रहे हैं. तो ये टोटल मेसअप है. टोटल इस पे गवर्नमेंट को इंटरवीन जरूर करना चाहिए. ऐसा लग रहा है कि इंडिगो का कोई बंदा घूम ही रहा होगा तो उसने अपनी शर्ट के ऊपर कोई और शर्ट पहन ली है बचने के लिए लोगों से, क्योंकि अगर कोई एक बंदा मिल भी जाता है उसको 50-60 लोगों ने घेरा हुआ है अंदर, और अंदर कोई भी वारदात हो सकती है. इस तरह का माहौल है.
एंड व्हाट अबाउट योर लगेज? जो लगेज उन्होंने लिया है, आपने बताया कि फ्लाइट कैंसिल हो गई है.
उसके बाद भी मैम लगेज के लिए हमें क्यू में लगना पड़ा, और 3 घंटे हो गए अभी तक लगेज नहीं मिला है. मतलब कैंसिल होने के बाद भी ये बोल रहे हैं कि 3 घंटे नीचे आप अराइवल पे वेट करो, 3 आवर्स के बाद हम देखेंगे, और लोग 3-3 घंटे से खड़े हुए, उनके पास लगेज भी नहीं आया. तो टोटल मैसअप हुआ है T1 में. और मैं तो बोलूंगा कोई भी यात्री है, प्लीज डू नॉट विजिट इंडिगो फ्लाइट, क्योंकि सारी फ्लाइट्स कैंसल्ड है. इनके पास लोग नहीं है, इनके पास क्रू मेंबर्स नहीं है, इनके पास पायलट्स नहीं है. प्लीज डू नॉट फ्लाई.
All right, so passengers are saying the only hope now is that the government will intervene. Amidst all this, an online petition has been launched by Captain Amit Singh, and this online campaign, this online petition calls for accountability. Let me go across to my colleague Madhav, who's getting us more details on this. Yes, Madhav.
Well, absolutely. And in fact, this is a petition which has been titled Yarthi Sarthi, and very clearly their demand that has been placed forth in this online petition is that why should, in fact, the passengers, the traveling public who've been hugely, inconvenienced by this set of cancellations, why should they not be adequately compensated? And remember, the story coming in from airport after airport, city after city, passenger after passenger, is that they were not informed on time, which is a violation of the CAR or the civil aviation requirements. B, they were not provided refreshments
Madhav,
in many cases.
Yes,
C,
Madhav, I'm interrupting you there because we have Captain Amit Singh joining us on the broadcast now. Captain Amit Singh, we spoke about this yesterday, the mess that this mismanagement has created. You filed... Okay, I believe we've lost that line with Captain Amit Singh. Let me quickly take in a word from Abhijit Iyer Mitra. He's in the studio here with us. So, according to reports, in a high-level meeting, Indigo has admitted, Abhijit, galti ho gayi. And they are the only ones, it seems, who've made this mistake, because for everyone else, for all the other service providers, things are going fine.
See, this isn't a mistake. This is a very clearly a deliberate attempt. You see, FDTL rules were notified several months back. They had more than enough time to make all the changes in the roster. Yes, they didn't do it. Why is there a pilot shortage? It's not that the pilot shortage suddenly appeared. You basically oversold flights over the winter. You knew winter is anyway prone to delays because of, the smog and things like that. And what pilot shortage? Pilot shortage means there are more than enough pilots going around here. Why doesn't Akasa face pilot shortage? Why doesn't Air India face pilot shortage? Why is Indigo facing pilot shortage? Because you don't want to pay the market rate for a pilot. You want cut price pilots. You oversell the number of seats and routes. You hoard all the routes across every single sector. You squat on the Airbus production line to keep raising prices and commanding. Their entire business model is basically squatting on the Airbus a production line, and if anybody wants to start an airline in the next 10 years, they have to go to Indigo and pay that excess amount. So you want to fleece Airbus customers as well, and you want to fleece the public as well. All of this was predictable as per any business model 6 months back. If you did not see this particular situation arising 6 months back, then you are unfit to run a company like this, certainly not in a position to be the monopoly, effective monopoly airline. The question here is, why has the civil aviation minister been missing in action for the last 2-3 days? What is his interest in all of this?
Right. Absolutely.
Now, there is one question that there is something the civil aviation minister has to do now. There have to be severe and exemplary penalties that are levied on Indigo to the point where for the next 6 to 8 months, they should not be allowed to charge anything more than 1,000, 2,000 rupees on their flights. They have to make up for this. Notice, even the basic communications that they are required to do for the passengers, they are meant to be booking them hotel. If you have provided a transit flight, now, if they've provided a flight for me from here to Chennai, fine. They don't have to book anything. But if they've provided a transit flight, you can't leave people stranded. You have to book some hotels and things like that. They are not even doing that. Okay. Their staff aren't communicating with the people at all.
That is the most important thing that the passengers are highlighting. Okay, the services have been disrupted, but at least tell them, treat us like human beings, which is not happening. Abhijit,